let's come together. We're going to sing a couple of songs.
It's time to say hello. It's time to say hello. Hello, hi. Hello, hello.
Play Live is a programme that we've developed as a response to the coronavirus pandemic, taking our early years programme online and into people's homes and nurseries and schools.
We're doing what we did in the gallery, but we're doing it over Zoom now. We've got suggestions of materials. We're going to be doing moulding today, so I've been making a Play-Doh. I don't know if you've been making it, how yours went. You know, we pepper that with movement, with music. How high can you jump? Woo! And it's just a big old celebration of play. Yeah! If you're getting giddy, just turn around and go the other way.
We've gone from having 60 or so participants at the very beginning when we started a year ago now, and it's grown and grown, and the last session engaged over 550 people.
So many! Hello, little bubba! Oh! We've got carers, we've got schools, we've got parents, grandparents, just the whole gamut of people who are looking after children. There's a lot of love. There's a lot of love in the Zoom room.
We've been given an opportunity that I don't think we would have necessarily tried in normal circumstances. We've created this community that brings people together. There's no limits in terms of distance, so people from across the country have been able to engage in these sessions. There are a lot of barriers to art galleries, and perhaps the online programme is a way of reaching out into the safety of their homes and building up those relationships to the point of having the confidence to actually come to the building and use the park. It's incredible to be able to create a space and a platform to bring people together, to connect, to interact, and to just play.
It's like a bridge. We're creating a bit of a bridge, and we've had quite a lot of parents and carers saying, this feels like we're together. And we are.